bridge pickup is using 44 gauge wire. I don't have Superman vision anymore, so I'm going to be using some 2.5 times magnifier cheaters to help me see this stuff. I'm going to be using a lead wire. Bridge pickup is using an ALNICO number 4. It's south oriented, and I'm going to wind this in the opposite direction from the neck pickup. So we're going to do the first couple windings very slow. We just want to get a feel for how this is going to fall on here. I've got this lead wire that kind of protrudes into the bobbin space a little bit. Going to need to work around that. It's also going to create a gap at the bottom, but when it gets potted, it'll fill all that in. So hopefully it won't be too bad. We're going to take our time, try and keep the tension consistent on this. I know for a fact on the neck pickup, tension varied quite a bit. Still turned out, as far as reading, turned out fairly well. Don't know what it's going to sound like yet. Won't know that for a while. We're going to start a stopwatch on this and see how long we spend winding it. This represents about an hour of winding. Getting close to coming off the ends. We're going to call this finished as far as winding goes. Winding's done. Now the interesting part. Trying to feed this teeny little wire through that opening. And trying to see this and look at the camera lens at the same time is a real pain in the butt. So I'm trying to make sure that it's centered, but I can't see the wire in the camera. I was able to get the wire wrapped through that hole a few times. Now it's time to see if it'll take some solder without breaking. Moment of truth. And I'm reading open. Now I'm reading a short. I'm reading 8K. That is amazing. I was not expecting 8.3 out of this. Now it's time to heat up the wax and pot this thing. Let that dry, and we're on to the next stage, which is finishing up the body so we can get the pickups and all the electronic controls installed.